Hey guys, Rushy here. In this video guys, I'm going to be presenting to you all of my combined Year 10 and Year 11 GCSE results. Rather than going off my individual paper grades like I did for my last video, in this video I'm actually going to be releasing the results I got for each subject from my exam certificates. If you're an OG fan to the channel, shout out to you guys. You'll remember that I did upload a video back in 2016 in which I released all of my Year 10 GCSE paper results. However, that video has since been deleted because it was in poor quality, the filming was off, and it was quite rushed. Also, I didn't reveal my actual GCSE grades, just my individual paper results. So, in this video, I'm going to be combining my Year 10, Year 11 subject GCSE results, and also my Welsh Baccalaureate results. So, let's begin. Starting with Year 10, my only strong subject grade I got was in science. This is because for all the papers I sat in Year 10, for each subject there was another paper followed up by the second half of the course studied in Year 11. But we done one course of science in Year 10 and another in Year 11 in a different class. So, for science in Year 10, I achieved a C grade. Pretty happy with that overall. Science was never my strong point. Physics, chemistry or biology. So a pretty average grade for many people, but a strong grade for me. Moving on to Welsh Baccalaureate. The Welsh Baccalaureate is basically a scheme set up by the government, an educational scheme to be taught compulsory in schools to help prepare students for the world of work. So, for my National Foundation Welsh Baccalaureate, I achieved a foundation pass. Now, there were a lot of aspects to the Welsh Baccalaureate, a lot of which I had to do after school or not in lesson time. A foundation pass is good for me because it is a pass. It is a low pass, but it is a pass. And I did try hard at achieving this result. Now, moving on to the second part of my Welsh Baccalaureate, which is the National Foundation Skills Challenge Certificate. For this, I achieved a pass. Pretty pleased with that. Obviously these are important, relatively new grades as well, so lots of universities, especially throughout the UK now, are asking for baccalaureate and skills challenge passes. Lots of universities in Wales now are asking for Welsh Baccalaureate as a compulsory GCSE or A-level to be required, because there's so much competition for education as well as jobs, and believe it or not, valuable information is taught through these schemes. Now to Year 11. First of all, starting November 2016, I sat 2 papers for mathematics and numeracy, intermediate. And for maths and numeracy, I achieved a C grade for both. A lot of revision went into maths and achieving these grades. Again, mathematics isn't really my strong point, and to many people a C grade in both maths and numeracy is quite an average grade. However, for me, I think it's a really decent grade because I did push myself to achieve the highest I could. Luckily, you know, I've had excellent teachers in maths from Year 7 to Year 11, and basically we learnt a couple of things, but mainly it was revision based in Year 11. And finally, on to my June exams. For English Literature, I achieved a B grade. Welsh Second Language, B grade. Mathematics, C grade. Mathematics Numeracy, C grade. English Language, a C grade. History, a C grade. Religious Studies, a C grade. Additional Science, I achieved a C. And I achieved a D in Geography. So I'm pretty pleased with those grades overall. Obviously to many people they are just average grades. I didn't achieve 1A or A star. I'm a little disappointed in that, to be honest, because I do think I could have achieved at least 1A star or at least 1A grade. However, these are strong grades, especially for me. Individually, I'm a little disappointed in my Welsh Second Language. I thought I could have achieved an A grade. I think it was just that one exam paper in Year 11 that let me down. I managed to pass, but I got a D grade. Also for mathematics and numeracy, I resat the exams I sat in November and I still got the same result. I'm a little disappointed in that. I wish I could have achieved a B in both papers, because I did put a lot of hard work towards the beginning of last year, all throughout until the exams. So yeah, I did put a lot of hard work into that, but I think if I could have just done some more hardcore revision towards the exams. Of course, I had to revise for a lot of other subjects as well. But yeah, a little bit disappointed with my mathematics and numeracy results. Also for my lowest grade in geography, which was a D grade. Very disappointed in that. It was mainly on how to answer specific questions rather than the topics I studied. So if I'd asked for help a little more during lessons, I think I could have got a higher grade. But other than that, overall I am extremely pleased with my GCSE results from Year 10 and Year 11. Although they are not the best, a lot of hard work went into achieving these results. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Feel free to check out my Year 11 GCSE individual paper results video. I hope for all of you who have sat GCSEs, I hope you got the results you wanted. They are very important. See you all in the next video.